come toward the first reaction. What is benzoin condensation? So this is the molecule which is called as the benzoin, having the structure of the hydrox group at the alpha position and two benzene rings are there. So this is a benzoin structure having the chemical name 2-hydroxy 1,2-diphenyl ethanone. 2-hydroxy 1,2-diphenyl ethanone. Now if you are going to be see that benzoin condensation in detail, so benzoin condensation, it is the condensation of the two molecules of the benzaldehyde to form a new carbon-carbon bond is known as the benzoin condensation. That means for benzoin condensation, the basic requirement of the starting material is the benzaldehyde or aldehyde which does not contain alpha hydrogen atom like the aromatic aldehyde. So the catalyst that normally going to be utilized into the reactions is the cyanide ion. So aromatic aldehyde like benzaldehyde which does not contain alpha hydrogen atom, in presence of the cyanide ion as the catalyst in ethanol as the solvent, will give the formation of the benzoin as the product, and this reaction will be called as what? Benzoin condensation. For this reaction, cyanide ion is the catalyst and two molecules of the aromatic aldehyde will be utilized as the starting material. So this is also the same reactions. Two molecules of the benzaldehyde on reaction with cyanide minus ion as a catalyst in presence of water and ethanol as the solvent will give the formation of the benzoin as the product. So the benzoin condensation is the addition reaction involving the two molecules of the aldehyde. That is the basic requirement. The reaction generally occurs between the aromatic aldehyde or the glycols. This reaction produces an acetylene. In the classic application, benzaldehyde is converted into the benzoin. So this is the mechanism. In a mechanism, the cyanide ion which is going to be acts as the nucleophile will be added across the carbonyl carbon which is the electrophilic center and will give the formation of this intermediate. This intermediate, that oxide ion on reaction with water will give the protonation of the oxide ion and we are going to get formation of the cyanohydrin type of the intermediate. Again, the hydroxide ion which is going to be lost in this step will abstract the proton of this intermediate cyanohydrin and will give the loss of the cyanide ion, will give the loss of the water, and we are going to get the formation of the nitrile enolate type of the intermediate. So during this reaction, this intermediate will be act onto a second molecules of the benzaldehyde, same nucleophilic substitution reaction, and we are going to get formation of the another alkoxide ion, and which one with protonation will give the formation of intermediate, and which one subsequently loss of the cyanide ion will give the formation of the benzoin as the product. So in a mechanism, it is a nucleophilic reaction of the cyanide ion towards the carbonyl carbon, and two molecules of the benzaldehyde will be going to be utilized into the reaction. So another example for the benzoin condensation is the furfuraldehyde. So two furfuraldehyde on reaction with potassium cyanide and ethanol as the solvent will give the formation of the benzoin condensation reaction. So this is another example in which aromatic aldehyde, which is para-substituted group, so it is a 4-methoxybenzaldehyde on reaction with cyanide ion, ethanol water system will give the benzoin condensation, and the name of this molecule is the anisoine. So these are also some of the example. This is the example of the two molecules of the anisaldehyde on reaction with cyanide ion as the catalyst and ethanol water as the system will give the formation of the anisoine. And furfuraldehyde, two molecules of the furfuraldehyde on same reaction condition can undergo the benzoin condensation will give the formation of the